This how to 1 minute will show you how to change the number of posts displayed on your WordPress blog page. Follow these easy steps to easily do it without any plugin or custom codes. Log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on settings and click on reading. And once you are in this reading settings page, here you will get blog pages show at most these posts. Now here currently 10 posts are showing in my WordPress blog page. And from here you can easily change the amount of posts you want to show to your blog page. Also here you have to change the amount, and for each post in feed include, you can select full text or excerpt. So I'm going to selecting here excerpt and clicking on save changes. And now I'm going to open my website, and here we can see total 5 posts are showing in my blog page. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.